manufacturer that provides customers telephone solutions all around the world. Let's go and see it. Founded in 2012, J&R Technology has a number of exclusive patented technology such as the emergency telephone and industrial telephone, which they independently design and develop. We have obtained more than 30 new patent certificates, including ISO 9001, CE, ROHS certificates.
Hi, this is Lee from J&R Technology. I am mainly responsible for business in Australia.
こんにちは皆さん、私は J&R のドレスと申します。日本一番の営業を担当しています。
Hola, bienvenido a nuestra empresa. Soy Cristina de J&R. Estoy a cargo del mercado español. Muchas gracias.
This is J&R 101 FK telephone, made by corrosion-resistant cast aluminum weatherproof shelf. The magnetic door provides complete protection against dust and moisture ingress, resulting in a highly reliable product with a long MTBF. This is J&R EX 106 explosion-proof telephone made by J&R Technology Company. It is designed to provide safe, reliable communication in hazardous area. The housing is made of impact and shock-resistant GRP. The telephone device features a display with integrated heating for ultra-low temperature environments. Temperature aging test for 72 hours. We are the source factory and we can provide the highest quality and the most competitive price. Looking forward to cooperating with you. If you are interested in our products, contact us.
Ether.com. Make global trade easier.